What's up, guys? So, for today's video, so we are going to Ilocos Norte ba? Hindi ako
Sur. Sur.
So, hindi ko alam, guys.
Kasi gula-gulatan.
So, ganito lang yun, guys. Sumama lang ako, then nagulat ako, wala pala din plano ko saan ako pupunta. so,
Akala niya may itinerary
so
na.
I'm with my college bestie, Liv, and her bestie, Iva, and then also Rosel from, and then her brother. Her
Yes.
brother is right now. It's already, what time is it? 1:27, and we are expecting to be in Ilocos Sur by maybe 7 or 8, like that. And then I'll meet you guys. Bye. So what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are here right now at San Juan La Union. Just had a stopover for breakfast here. Time check, it's 6:24 in the morning. Good morning.
Morning.
Hi
guys.
Good morning.
Vlog to my welcome. Good morning.
We're gonna have our breakfast here. Are you vlogging?
No.
Are you vlogging me or vlogging me or vlogging
Are we
you?
vlogging each other? Basta bagnet naman.
Naka-vlog pala guys. Hi! Wala na camera ba yan?
We're here at the Baluarte Watchtower. Here, the water was so clear. The black sand, clear and blue. And this is the watchtower would look like at the back. So right now we are here at Vegan City, Ilocos Sur. And yep, so di pa kami nagla-lunch. We're gonna try Irene's Ilocos Empanada. See that jumbo special, this is 110. Hindi ako mahilig magsuka, pero sige, subukan ko to. So I'm gonna try this muna na walang sauce. May ano no, may lasa na yung skin niya. May lasa na yung loob. Good. Sarap. We're done eating Ilocos Empanada of Irene, and I'm gonna rate it maybe 8 out of 10. Ang longganisa naman is good, but I think there's more empanada na mas masarap doon or what, something special. The price 110. I guess it's good naman. So, lahat kami ng friends ko So as you know, Philippines is colonized by Spaniards for like 300 plus years. One of the preserved places here in the Philippines during the colonization, and also is one of the UNESCO 7 Wonders. Of course, you're not Filipino if you're not gonna take picture before you eat. I got crispy longanisa burger and they got Uno beef burger. Guys, backstory. Nag Quezon province kami during pandemic pa yun, no? Kasi guys, alam niyo naman, pandemic, yung mental health namin. Mental health.
Ano yung kakaano lang ng pandemic nandito?
Medyo tayo ano nun eh. Hindi matuloy kasi nga, nag-lockdown pa nun.
Oo. Yun yung hindi tayo sure sa mga nangyayari.
Yes. Ang hirap kainin guys. Ay, tapos tsaka mo ulit.
Living, you know?
So, sumakay kami ng Kalesa and it's only cost 200 pesos for 4 person. So guys, I'm having sininglaw. Based on the research of my friend, Iva.
Innards.
What's this?
It's beef innards.
Beef innards. So let's go guys, I'm gonna try it. Baka siyang pakis.
Oo, tapos medyo maasim.
Mm.
Tinitimplahan daw talaga ng kalamansi.
Okay guys, so now I know what's the taste like. So it tastes like beef pares. One is soury and then okay. You know what? Iba talaga pagkain ng probinsya. Yung alam mo yung sobrang fresh. Masustansya, bagong anin.
Sinanglaw?
Sinanglaw. Mamaya mo natin sabihin ko ano. Bet, tignan mo. Sabaw lang, okay lang. Okay. Anong kalasa?
Bulalo. So, anong masasabi nyo?
Actually, I saw na to kung paano gawin. And yung longganisa niya, onti lang. In order ko is double-double.
Pero,
120. Expect ko masyado. Hindi ko na tinaas.
so, mas okay yung kanina?
Nakasang kagat pa lang ako eh.
Oo, kanina.
Oo.
For me,
So,
Yet.
Iris,
I mean, Irene is the best yet.
titikman pa siya.
Dito muna magtatapos ang aking first day and night sa vlog namin sa Ilocos. So tomorrow, watch out and I'll see you. Bye! What's up guys? Good morning. It's our day 2 here at Ilocos Sur. Supposed to be, we wake up around like 4 a.m. But right now, it's already 7 p.m. And we're still here at the... I'm sorry, 7 a.m.
Looks like we're going to travel with us. Hello?
I'll update you later. We're just chilling here for a while. And then we're going to go! See ya!
Hi guys, to my welcome to my vlog to the Chowking. Chowking to my vlog. Hello.
Sabihin mo na lang.
It's breakfast time. Lasa ng shark's fin.
Lay here at Hot.
Isang vibing naman dyan. Isang ganun lang ba? Hey! 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 We just arrived at Lawag Church or I think that's a white church. I think ang ginawa lang nila dito is nire-paint nila yung mga walls, ceiling, but the floor are still the same. What's up guys? So right now we are here at Lawag Sand Dunes. Sakay na kami. Let's go, let's go! Ayun na.
Makita yung ano na okay. Okay? Eh, saan na tayo? Eh, wait lang, kuya.
Nag-vlog ako dito sa atin. Ano nangyari sa'yo, Lib? Gusto mo na lang umupo? Kuya, upo na lang daw si Lib sa hakap. Go, go! Makaka-enjoy na siya, babe.
Wala pa. Hi! Buhay pa ako! Oh my God. So, ngayon, nandito na tayo sa mundo.
Ay! Ay! Ano mo sabi?
Titanic!
Gabi! Ano sabi mo?
Pagod ako dito ka ng game. Hindi tayo sa
Sabi, babe.
buhay pa naman!
Para maiba naman. Ayan na po, after a while of taking picture, and here we go again! Liv, okay ka lang dyan, Liv?
Okay pa ako, pero
Ayan na! Yan na Huminagdan yung tuhod ko ng puti!
parang nagutom ulit kami.
Nakita mo ang West Philippine Sea?
Yes!
Sa ating pa ang West Philippine Sea! My God!
Uy, pag ganon!
Nakakaubos ang energy ang ang 4x4. Pero sobrang saya naman. So, kaya sa mga nagbabalak pumunta dito, and you should try this. Alam niyo yun? So, before, sila mama kasi ayaw nila kami para sa mga ganito. And now, ang saya dahil nagawa ko siya today with my friends. Isang kaway-kaway naman dyan, no?
Twinkle na.
Yan na, big. Ayun, shit. Tingin ang taas. Ayan na. Ayan na.
Uy! Uy! Ilang pala! Uy!
Nakikilig. So guys, nag-stop over lang kami.
Ilocos
Baka
empanada.
bumili naman ng Ilocos
Fried
Norte
wings.
version ng empanada. Then I ordered double-double, of course. So, the difference
In
is,
fairness, no?
ang loob niya is munggo and repolyo. And then may onting papaya. But,
May papaya. Wala pa yung may cheese.
Wala, te. Hindi kasi.
and with suka.
At lang dahil sa hangin ng hair.
Pero enough, sarap.
Masarap ka, Philip.
It's better.
Ha?
It's better.
Kesa saan?
Yung sa pangalawa natin. Namin. Guys,
Panador.
we're now going to Windmill and I'll see you later. Bye.
So, guys, kamusta naman ang experience ko sa Baguio Windmill? Ito, hello po!
Update.
Kanina ang init lang ah. Parang ano ng portal. Parang ano lang to Parang babae lang, pa iba-iba.
We're now at Baguio Windmill in Ilocos Norte. Currently, pinapagyo kami. Hindi ko sure. Or what? But, yes, ayun, nakakita sa likod ko. Taste ganda. Yan lang po talaga that really.
Okay, buwis buhay. Okay. Yan. A girl! I'm just a girl in a world. 1, 2, 3. I'm just a girl. I'm just a girl.
Tulog sila nga ni. So what's up guys? So right now we are here at Batak Riverside and then I order double of Nanay Glory's Ilocos Empanada. Check. So based on my knowledge and research, Nanay Glory started the empanada since maybe like 65 years ago already, and now she's already 84 years old, and if you're gonna see the video, I'm gonna show it later. She's still working here and she's still here supervising, and that there's a lot of local. They're still buying and lining up for Ilocos Empanada of Nanay Glory. And anyway, let's try this. Hmm? So, what I like about this one naman is the dough. Tasty, tsaka manipis. Malasa din yung longganisa. Sarap. Winner ang suka. Ang sarap yung suka niya.
Rating nyo,
Sarap.
best.
Yan na yun. Pati suka. Alam niyo guys, each Ilocos Empanada has a different longganisa, different toppings inside. I mean, vegetable. It's either munggo, papaya, or repolyo. I already tried Ilocos Empanada of Irene, Ilocos of Empanada, like just a street food just near on Calle, Fisarlogo, and then third one is now we just saw it after our son June's. So I'm not sure if I have video, but I think I do have. And then I tried that one. It's still good. That's not bad for its price. Like special is 50 pesos, and then double is 100. And this one, like longanisa is perfect, crust is perfect. I mean, and also suka is perfect. So I think this is like a good. I'm gonna say this Glory's Empanada is really good. So if you're watching this video, you should try this. You should come over here and try Glory's Empanada. So right now it's already 7:40, and I thought they're closed now, but yep, we're still here, eating here, and let's go. Let's eat. I think piling ko bibideo ulit ako. Ganoon ako ka-addict lagi sa Ilocos, bro.
Parang dito ako pinaka-nasayahan.
Ano be?
Hi guys, dito ako pinaka-nasayahan.
So siya ang pinakakasama ko talaga sa Ilocos Empanada trip. So guys, I order again double special. And right now I'm thinking if I should buy 5 pieces to bring home. Another day, another Ilocos Empanada again.
Kala mo day 3 na.
Kala mo day 2 lang to ah. Magpa-picture po. Masarap na yun ang empanada. Kasi nag-try kami na iba. Nagustuhan ko po yung crust, yung longganisa. Taon na po kayo? 84. Ito po kayo nag-start nito. Parang nakita ko po sa ng video, 65 years na daw po kayo.
1960, begin.
Halos ano na po pala, kalahati na din ang buhay niyo po.
Lang main panada.
Apo. Sige po, Nay. Maraming salamat po. Ingat po. Opo, kumain na po. Umorder nga po ako na ng pan-take out. Uwi sa Manila. Hi guys, what's up? It's our day 3 here at Ilocos Sur. And right now, we're just gonna drop by on 2 museums and 1 zoo. And then after that, we're going back to Manila. But also, I'm gonna try Casa Jardin and also the first Singlao. And I'll see you there. Bye. Peace out. Now we are here at First Sinanglao, and then last time we tried eat Sinanglao on a street food vibe, but right now this one is popular here. Look at that, there's a lot of people around. I tried intestine, they tried meat or laman. Ang rich ng flavor, no? Sarap yung intestine, malinis. After we ate at First Sinanglao, and then now we are here at the National Museum of Ilocos. We are now heading towards to President Quirino. Not sure if museum or something. So fun fact, sabi ni Kuya Guard, this is where Elpidio Quirino was born because before, his father was a ward. And then, hindi na kinaya, dito na siya pinanganak sa provincial jail ng Ilocos. We just bought some foods. We went to Irma's Longanisas and Bagnet. And then I bought Marsha's special bibingka and pudding. And then I have chicha corn, just a little snacks. And we're still here at the Vegan City. And then after this one, we're gonna go to Baluarte Zoo and I'll see you there. Ang bibili siya dalang pizza, no? Baka masubukan natin talaga.
Kami pa lang ng kapatid ko, 10K na.
Dalawang pizza slice yung... Ay, ano naman yun, be? Pang lahat na yun. What's up, guys? Right now, we are here at Casa Jardin. And this is our 5 Ilocos Empanada that we tried. But this one, we're gonna eat it, this one, take out or to go. Because we need to hurry and it's already 3:30 in the afternoon and we need to go to Baluarte mini zoo. And after, let's see, because this one is Casa Jardin is also popular here in Vegan. So yeah, started to try this. Double meat from Casa Jardin, and this is our 5th Ilocos Empanada. You know guys, disclaimer lang. So, okay. The skin is like very thin and crispy, but I can taste the old oil here. And then let's try the meat.
Ano ba guys? Under job. Ano?
Eh, kapon nga nung kumain tayo. Sharing yung pagkain natin. Tapos hindi sila
Okay. Okay.
Puro spot sila.
Pagsara sila.
Magsara kayo! Saan magbenta?
Pasensya na guys, galit sila.
Pati mute po!
No. Kidding aside,
Mute.
well, I like their longganisa. The longganisa is good. It tastes full. And what else? Like, that's it. I mean, suka, still suka. But you know what? One of factor affects food was one of the service. Service from hospitality. I graduated culinary. I mean, I have 2 years work experience and I have my own business. So that's why I'm trying everything. You know what? But anyway, that's Ilocos Empanada. To sum up, Gloria is still the best.
Glory yun talaga.
Ay, Gloria po ka siya. Glory lang siya. Si Nanay Glory pa rin talaga ang the best. So you should go to Ilocos Norte and go to Batac Riverside and try Nanay Glory Ilocos Empanada. So good. Anyway, I'll see you on Baluarte.
Lahat ng more on Manila Zoo.
Right now, we are here at Baluarte Zoo. 100 entrance fee for walk-in. Then, if you want to have a shuttle service, you need to pay 150 pesos. Then, you went here to the feeding area, just waiting for the shuttle. And right now, at my back, you can see the camel. They are eating. And here we go!
Here we go!
Here.
Rides na naman, te.
Yes.
Another,
Gumanong ganun to
another 4x4.
Yes!
Over here at Gold Refinery. Here. Dang. Kaya pala ganito kayaman si Chavik Singson, no? Kasi may Gold Refinery pala siya. First time I saw gold bar and silver bar. Now we are here at the Sari Gallery of Baluarte Zoo. Oh my god, this is so amazing, guys. Look at that. You know guys, this is an illusion. I'll show you what's the trick. You can see here that like it's the, what you call that, perspective. And then you're gonna see, but on the side, you will see that this is an illusion. You can see from here, and then when you look at front, you're gonna see like this.
Sakit ng paa ko, guys.
And so this is where my Ilocos adventure ends. So please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell notification. And if you have any suggestion, please comment down below. And I'll see you later. Bye!